So first of all, if you can, cross your legs. If not, you can straighten them out. And then when you're ready, place your hands somewhere comfortable and start to close the eyes. It's great if you can try and imagine the air moving through certain parts of the body. So on the inhale, when we first inhale, picture the belly expanding with the breath, and then the back, then the side body, and then the chest. And then on the exhale, we do the same in reverse order. So on the exhale, from the chest, and then the side, then the back, and the belly. So it's maybe helpful if you place your hands on your body while you're breathing to see if you can feel the breath in certain parts of the body. This might take some time to practice. So inhale, the belly expands, and then the back, next the side body, and then the chest right at the top, and then exhale from the chest, the side body squeezes in, the back squeezes in, and then the belly. So we'll do some cat-cow poses here. So inhale and open up the chest. You can feel on the inhale it's easier to look up, it's easier to expand in the body. And on the exhale, look down, look to the belly, and pull up the back towards the ceiling. Inhale, send a line with the nose, looking up, opening up the chest, feeling the expansion, and exhale, look towards the belly. Maybe here push off a little more with the hands, opening up the back, pressing down with the tops of the feet, and inhale, open up the belly. So from here, if you'd like to tuck the toes, and then we can move back with the hands so the hands meet the knees. Lift the knees up off the mat and come forwards into a forward fold at the back of the mat. Feet hip width apart and knees can bend generously. Bend the knees and make sure the back is not hunched over. The back is nice and straight. If you can straighten your legs with a nice flat back, that's also great. So we're here in our forward fold at the back of the mat. Take the hands, the opposite elbows, and move from side to side. Inhale to move to the left, exhale to center, and inhale to the right. Nice slow fluid movements here. Exhale to center, inhale to right, and then just move in your own pace. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you feel a little more relaxed right now. See you tomorrow.